दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया, दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया, दावत इश्क है। दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया, दावत इश्क है कबूल तो आजा जाना, दावत इश्क है कबूल तो आजा जाना, दावत इश्क है।
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming. We're really excited to be here. What do you guys think of the video? Yeah. Awesome. What? Sorry, what? Awesome. Okay. Yeah. Huh? 7 stars. Is that even possible? Okay. Thank you so much.
Anyway, thank you guys. First of all, thank you all for coming, really. And I hope you liked our trailer. I hope you liked the song. And I hope you guys like the movie when you guys watch it on the 5th.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
One question to both of you. Pariniti, you've been experimenting with all the roles in your films, be it Ladies vs. Ricky Behel, or be it Ishaqzadeh, or now in Daawat-e-Ishq. So what new experiment are you trying in Daawat-e-Ishq? And Aditya, what stereotype from the drunkard lover are you breaking in this film?
I think as an actor, you always want to do something new in every film. Yeah. But of course, we are limited to what we are offered. We only choose the films out of what we are offered, right? Now, I have to be honest. I have played a Muslim girl before in Ishaqzadeh. But because Habib sir and I had together created that character, we wanted to not have any repetition. So the first thing we did was to change my styling in the film. And in the trailer, a lot is not exposed, but I think when you watch the film, you will realize what I'm talking about. There is a very distinct styling in the film. Also, the language that I'm speaking in the film is Dakhani. We've not seen much of Hyderabadi and Dakhani being spoken in films, so that is very important. Of course, the body language, etc., what is required for the character is different. So I hope when you watch the film, you see all of that, and I hope that you find it as different as my other films.
Yeah, I guess the stereotype is, first of all, I'm not drinking in this film, and the kind of roles I did, some were more serious and more heavy in the tone, in the suit that they were. In this film, I'm playing a slightly more, I'm playing a much happier soul, actually, at the heart of it. He's a happy guy, he's a big-hearted guy, and he doesn't have too much angst in life. For him, life is pretty much, he takes it at face value. It's fairly simple. He's a cook, he's from Lucknow, he speaks in a different way. So there are all these things, the look is different. So I think it was the part and how different it was actually from the stuff that I've recently done that appealed to me. And the fact that Habib Faisal is someone who knows the world so well. Because I've grown up in Bombay and I'm a South Bombay kid, whatever, I haven't seen that world that much. And it hasn't been something that I can say, oh, I can do that character. So when you have a director that has lived that life and is clear about that kind of dialect and that kind of mood, then you should go into that zone. Because you know that someone is there to give you a helping hand, and that's what he was for me. So yeah, it's different for me.
So there's a personality transformation for the good for the both of you.
Yeah, hopefully.
We hope so, yes.
Hopefully in real life also.
परिणीति, दावत-ए-इश्क करते हुए कितनी दावतें आपने खाई और उस दौरान अपने आप को मेंटेन कैसे रखा?
नहीं रखा मेंटेन, that was the problem.
बहुत सारी दावतें हुई. Actually, I think इस फिल्म के दौरान सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ ये हुई कि आदित्य, अनुपम सर and I became very good friends. And literally हर रोज़ हम लोग, अगर सुबह की शूट होती तो हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट साथ में खाते थे, लंच साथ में खाते थे, डिनर खा के जाते थे. मतलब जितना हम लोग टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते थे एक दूसरे के साथ, हम लोग स्पेंड करते थे. तो दावतें तो आई थिंक अनगिनत हुई हैं.
पर एक सीरियस प्रॉब्लम बन गया था क्योंकि I just started putting on weight. It was
मेंटेन
नहीं हुआ. कंटिन्यूटी तो
हर सीन में हम अलग साइज में.
Aditya, speaking particularly about this song, how was it like shooting for this song? You're obviously trying to impress Pariniti in the song.
Yeah, I'm trying to impress Pariniti, and I'm also celebrating. I'm happy. See, for me, I haven't done that much song and dance. I have, but I've always somehow tried to make myself go into the corner of the frame in every time that I've done it. In this case, that option was not there. So I did some rehearsal for the song. The sad part is whatever I rehearsed, when I went on set, it all changed. So, so that was a big problem, yeah. But I think it was more about just trying to enjoy myself. And if I did that successfully, I think that would come across on screen and just not look inhibited is what Chini sir, who choreographed the song, did. So it was a new experience for me and it was great. I think it was just a matter of embracing it completely and going in and saying whatever happens, to hell with it, you know, and that's what I tried.
Well,
Aditya?
Parineeti, the film, of course, is about Dawat-e-Ishq, and there's a lot of eating happening in the film. Are you much of a foodie in real life as well?
Of another level. And not just as I think every human being claims to be a foodie. but
She's a foodie. And I am, so...
Aditya is the first person I have found in my life who can compete with me.
I can out-eat her.
We
Yeah.
can eat quantities and we are so passionate, like literally we would come in the morning and it's like 9 o'clock in the morning and we'd be like, acha wo lunch ka kya karna hai? Acha nahi, we are here and we should order from there and ye.
But it would affect
I
our
think
performance. After lunch, it's like, you know,
after lunch, then both of us are like this. We can't move. I swear, I mean, it's got nothing to do with the film. I think genuinely both of us, the amount of love we have for food, it was amazing. I really am a big foodie. So for me, this film was like made for me.
What was your favorite dish throughout filming?
It's a very, very tough question.
On the left.
Our favorite dish. I think those tunde kebabs were crazy. Yeah. They biryani was very good from tunde
Biryani
kebab.
and tunde kebab.
Because we've become serious because we take this very seriously.
It's
It's not a joke. The kebabs from tunde kebab. Baba.
It was on another level.
Yeah, that was over
The
another
kebabs
level.
from tunde kebab
Yeah.
has to be number one.
Yes.
We have eaten about 50.
And also, sorry. And Anupam sir's cheese vegetable sandwich in the evening was very, very important also.
That chole bhature we went for.
And
We went
the
to this chole bhature. Oh, Anupam sir had spent many years in Lucknow, so he knew every place. And the chaat place we went to. So we went to this place called Shukla Chaat. Lucknow people will
Inform
know.
all media not to ask us about food because we will not be talking about the
Once
film.
again, and then the chole bhature was too good. And then we went to a place for jalebi and rabdi together. Oh, it's all at Chowk.
Correct. That's what.
Oh my gosh, it was too good. How was working with Karan Wahi? Okay, so Anupam sir and I worked with Karan really, and he was very excited because it was his first film, and of course he's been wanting to do a film for a long time. And it was very sweet. It was an amazing experience because me, Karan and Anupam sir, we all did workshops before the film. So that's the time we got to know each other. And I think he's got a very good performance in the film. So I think you will enjoy it when you watch it. दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया दावते इश्क है दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया इश्क है कबूल तो आजा जाना दावते इश्क है कबूल तो आजा जाना दावते इश्क है